Happy New Year. Okay, I know it's a bit late because this video is up on the 13th, but today is actually January 1st, 2022. So Happy New Year. So I took a bit of a break there over Christmas just to kind of spend some time with the family and, you know, just take a break. And you're going to hear me suffering with my walking because I had a lot of turkey and chocolate and everything else. So we're going to start with 5-minute videos, a bit of talking, a bit of writing. The wind is ferocious today, so there might be parts where I just remove the audio and put music over it just because the wind was too bad. So let's walk around. So I still have a fear of talking in front of people, so that's not good. Plus I'm wearing a mask. So it's 9:30 on a Saturday morning, January 1st. So the place is going to be empty, which is good because Omicron is a bit rampant. So I'm wearing my mask. There's people around, so I'm keeping my risk down as low as possible. I won't be going indoors today. Staying outdoors. And try as hard as possible not to touch anything. So that was Molesworth Street, and I have no idea what the name of this street is, to be honest, but there's a building, I think it's a museum. Don't know. A bit lost here this morning. I was going to go down Grafton Street now, but I was like, you know, I've done Grafton Street so many times. Let's try walking down some other streets. So you're not going to see many people on these videos. This time on New Year's, it's just going to be empty, you know. So you're just going to have your YouTubers, your health freaks, people going to work, people trying to get the start to a new year. So normally I do go drinking, but I'm kind of sick of it. Sick of just wasting the day because I can't drive anywhere. I'm too hungover to get in a bus and come into town and do these kind of videos. So this is Setanta Palace place. Let's see if we're alright there. So yeah, short 5-minute videos. I'm trying to get a lapse because of the trip to Thailand coming up soon. I'll record some stuff while I'm over there too, because I want this to eventually evolve into a travel channel. I don't want to give away too much because I don't want to guarantee things, but I will be doing highly on Ireland, a lot more into Ireland, but I want to also travel as well and just have the same one channel. So let me know what you like in the comments. You know, because of COVID, Omicron cases, I'm trying to stay outdoors, and that's weather dependent. So I have to wait on the weather. So we're walking down to Trinity College here. It's the Trinity College grounds, and this was Kildare Street. So that's Kildare Street. Now there's not many shops around, so there wouldn't be many people here in anyway. So I don't think I've actually gone this way now. I'd love to do Trinity and the Book of Kells, and I may get to it, but for now I'm just reducing my indoors and people. For my trip to Thailand I have to take a PCR test before I get on the flight. If I fail that, I lose my flight, and I have to book this ASQ hotel in Thailand, and I'll lose that as well. And then when I land in Thailand, I'm brought straight from the airport to the hospital for a PCR test, confined in the hotel room until that comes back. So I'm a little stressed about that, so these videos are all going to be outdoors and not so much no more pubs or anything like that. So yeah, here we have, like, you know, well, it looks like Coffee Street. Coffee.